Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Sounds Great 4, Unit 6. 10. Tent. I camp in a tent with my family. My tent is so much fun. Ant. Plant. Flowers and grass are plants. Ants are not plants. They're animals. Ant. Ant. The honey ant is blue. The queen ant is so big and ugly. Ink. Pink. The tank is pink. Pink is her favorite color. Ink. Ink. The pen uses ink. The pink ink stinks. Tank. Tank. The tank is in a plane. The tank drives in the mud. Ing. Wing. The butterfly has nice wings. The swan has big wings. Ing. King. Teacher Trey is a king.
Nope.
I like the Lion King. Ing. Sing. La la la. Do you like to sing? I like to sing with the king. Neck. Look at the long neck. It's like a giraffe neck. She puts a scarf on her neck when it is cold outside. Sick. No sick puppies in the school. I feel sick. Achoo! Ooh. Lock. The lock needs a key. The box has a lock. I wonder what's in the box. Is it money? All right, let's review. Ant. Pull ant plant. Tent. Tank. Ink. Ink pink. Sing. Ing wing. Ing king. Lock. Neck. Sick. All right, that's all for today. We'll see you guys again next time. Goodbye.